Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "My ummah will come to my pond while I will be barring other people from approaching the pond, as someone keeps the other people's camels away from his straw." The companions radiyallahu anhum asked, "O Allah's Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, will you recognize us?" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, "Yes, you will have such an identification mark as no ummah will have it. When you visit my pond, your faces, hands, and feet will be white and radiant due to the effects of ablution, and a group of you, ummah invited, will be barred from coming to me, so they will not be able to have any access to me. I will thereupon say, O my Lord Jalla Jalaluhu, they are my companions." An angel whereupon will reply, "Do not you know what innovation they introduced in the religion after you?" Sahih Muslim, Hadith number 581.